Hello, welcome back for today's puzzle. Continuing along in the book, today we're working on puzzle 84. So let's start here with this box. Looks like we're missing a 2 and a 4. We've got a 4 here. So 2, 4. For this row, we're just missing a 1. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2, 6, and 9. The 2 is covering these two boxes, so this has to be our 2. Got a 9 there, so 6, 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7, but I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. Work on this row here. We've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 and a 5, and there's a 3. So this is our 8, and that 4 and 5 means this is our 3. We've got a 4 here, so 5 and 4. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2, a 4, and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 4. We've got a 2 and a 4 there. So 8, and that 4 means this is our 2 and 4. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got the 2 there. So 1, 5, a 5 there. So 1, 2. We've got the 2 there. So 1, 5. So that means our 2 has to be here. If we work on this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. Got a 5 here, so 1, 7, and that same 5, 1, 7. So that means our 5 has to be here, which makes this our 1. This is our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. So to finish out this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 there, so 6, 9. For this box, we're missing a 1, 3, and 8, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got the 2 here. So 1, 3. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 3. We've got a 2 and a 3 here. So this is our 1. That makes this our 3 and our 2. And then we can get rid of this 3 here. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3, 8. No help here. Oh, but the 3 there. So this is our 8. That 3 means this is our 9, so our 3 is here. So for this box, then, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 7. This 1 means we can get rid of this 1, and we can get rid of this 8. So we're still missing 3 and 8 for this column, but we've got an 8 there. So 3, 8, which makes this our 1 and 3. Finish out this box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 there. So 9, 8. So for this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 there. So 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and an 8 there, and a 7 there. So 5. Got the 1 and 8 there. So 7. We're missing an 8 here. And this is our 1. All right, thank you for joining me again today for our puzzle. Please do like, subscribe, share with someone you think would enjoy our content, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.